Welcome to this tutorial on how to backtest on Webull, a popular trading platform that offers a wide range of tools and features for investors and traders. Backtesting is a crucial step in evaluating the performance of a trading strategy, and Webull provides a user-friendly interface to do so. To start backtesting on Webull, you need to open the platform and navigate to the paper trading section. Paper trading is a simulated trading environment that allows you to test your strategies with virtual money. Click on the paper trading button and create a new paper trading account if you haven't already. Once you are in the paper trading section, click on the backtest button. This will take you to the backtest interface, where you can select the strategy you want to test. Webull offers a range of pre-built strategies, or you can create your own custom strategy using the platform's scripting language. To create a custom strategy, click on the New Strategy button and select the indicators and parameters you want to use. For example, you can create a moving average crossover strategy by selecting the moving average indicator and setting the parameters for the short and long-term averages. Once you have created your strategy, you need to select the stock or asset you want to test it on. Webull offers a wide range of stocks, options, and other assets to choose from. Select the asset you want to test and click on the backtest button. The backtest results will be displayed in a table and chart format, showing you the performance of your strategy over a specified period. You can adjust the backtest parameters, such as the time frame and risk level, to see how your strategy performs under different conditions. It's essential to evaluate your backtest results critically and consider multiple factors, such as the strategy's win-loss ratio, profit factor, and maximum drawdown. You can also compare your strategy's performance to a benchmark, such as the S&P 500, to see how it stacks up. Best practices for backtesting on Webull include using a sufficient sample size, avoiding over-optimization, and considering multiple market scenarios. It's also essential to keep in mind that past performance is not indicative of future results, and you should always use backtesting as just one tool in your investment decision-making process. In conclusion, backtesting on Webull is a straightforward process that can help you evaluate and refine your trading strategies. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Webull's backtesting feature to improve your trading performance and make more informed investment decisions.